Welcome to the spoken tutorial on folate-rich non-vegetarian recipes. In this tutorial, we will learn about food sources rich in folate, preparation of a few non-vegetarian recipes. First, we will understand what is folate and its role in our body. Folate is one of the important B vitamins. It is required for various functions in the body. Let us see a few examples. Folate is essential for cell growth and repair. It is also needed for a healthy pregnancy. Folate helps in the prevention of neural tube defects in babies. Neural tube defects are the birth defects of the brain and spinal cord. Benefits of folate have been explained in detail in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Next, let us look at food sources rich in folate. Beans and pulses are excellent sources. Green leafy vegetables are also rich in folate. Among non-vegetarian foods, fish and seafoods are excellent sources. For example, pomfret, Bombay duck, salmon, mackerel, etc. Prawns, crabs, lobsters, clams and fish eggs are also included. Even eggs, chicken or mutton liver are good sources of folate. Let us now begin with the preparation of the recipes. The first recipe is stuffed egg omelette. To make this recipe, you will need 2 eggs, handful or 50 grams of spinach, half onion, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Take salt according to your taste and 2 teaspoons of oil, ghee or butter. Procedure: wash and chop the spinach leaves finely. Heat oil in a pan and add cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add sliced onions and saute it. When the onions turn light pink, add green chilies and chopped spinach. Sprinkle some salt on it. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame and then keep it aside. Meanwhile, crack the eggs in a bowl. Add salt and black pepper powder. Next, add milk into it. Beat the eggs with the help of a spoon or a fork. Heat oil in a pan. Pour the beaten eggs on the pan. Cook for a minute and flip the omelette. Place the prepared spinach mixture on one half of the omelette. Fold the omelette onto the other half. Stuffed egg omelette is ready. This recipe will give around 290 micrograms of folate. Instead of spinach leaves, you can also use other green leafy vegetables. For example, amaranth leaves and agathi leaves. The next recipe is fish fry. To make this recipe, you can use 150 grams of any fish. I will be making this recipe with pomfret. Other ingredients required are 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon roasted Bengal gram flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. You will also need salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil, ghee or butter. Procedure: first, wash and clean the fish thoroughly. Make slits on its body. Next, take curd in a bowl. Add all the ingredients in it. except the fish and oil. Mix it well. Apply the prepared paste on the fish and keep it for about an hour. Heat oil in a pan. Place the fish pieces on the pan and let it cook on low flame on both sides. You can even bake or steam the fish. Fish fry is ready. This recipe has about 1440 micrograms of folate. The next recipe is chicken liver masala dry. Ingredients required are 60 grams or 1 chicken liver, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 small onion, half tomato, half capsicum, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 5 grams or handful of washed coriander leaves. Spices needed are half teaspoon cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. You will also need 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee and salt to taste. For garnishing, you will require juice of half a lemon. Procedure: wash the chicken liver and cut into medium-size pieces. Apply ginger garlic paste and curd on it. Add salt and rest of the spices. Mix everything well and keep it for about an hour. Next, heat oil in a pan. Saute chopped onions in it until they turn light golden. Then add chopped tomato and capsicum. Add the chicken liver and mix everything well. To it, add half cup of water. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish it with lemon juice and coriander leaves. Chicken liver masala dry is ready. 1 bowl of this recipe will give about 610 micrograms of folate. Our last recipe is prawn curry. For this recipe, ingredients required are 50 grams of prawns, half fresh coconut, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Spices needed are half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Take salt according to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. For garnishing, you will need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 5 grams or handful of washed coriander leaves. Procedure: first, clean and wash the prawns properly. Remove the head and tail of the prawns. Use a knife to carefully make a small slit along the back of the prawn. Then pull out the vein with the tip of the knife or your fingers and discard it. Do this on the other side as well. Put salt and lemon juice on the prawns. Keep it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. Now I will tell you how to prepare coconut milk. Grind coconut pieces with half cup of lukewarm water. Strain the grounded coconut in a sieve. Then collect the coconut milk in a bowl. Squeeze the coconut residues with clean hands to extract maximum milk. Put back the coconut residue in the mixer. Add half cup of lukewarm water and grind it again. Strain it and collect the coconut milk for the second time. Repeat the procedure one more time. Keep the collected coconut milk aside for later use. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and curry leaves. Once they splutter, add chopped onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next add ginger garlic paste, chopped tomato, salt and all the spices. Mix everything well and cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Then add prawns into it. Add the extracted coconut milk and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Prawn curry is ready. 1 bowl of this curry will give about 650 micrograms of folate. All these recipes are rich in other nutrients as well. For example, protein, iron, vitamin B12, choline, and omega-3 fatty acid. It also contains zinc, phosphorus, vitamin D, and calcium. Please include folate-rich food in your diet for good health. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thanks for joining.